Welcome back, everybody, to Real Rips. Today we're going to be checking out this Dragon's Lair card set, Series 1 by Cardsmiths. It looks like there's only 2 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. And it says here, look for crypto redemption cards, full and fractional BTC, ETH, LTHC, and DOGE. Whatever that means. But I never could play this game when I was a kid. But I'm excited to check these cards out. I don't even know the characters' names, but maybe you guys can help me out. So let's break this box and see what we got inside. 1 pack, 2 pack, anything else? What is this? Just nope, nothing. Nothing else. So, alright. Look at these packs. They're pretty cool. They're brand new. They're like 2024, I believe. Let me double check that. Yeah, 2024. And here's the exterior of the pack here. Series 1. Let's give it a rip. Alright. See if we got any numbered. Ooh, they feel nice and thick. Good quality here. Nope, I don't see any numbered cards on the back here, but anyways, flipping around. Wow. Just good quality stuff. Looks like that's just an action shot. I don't know if this... Did they make a cartoon out of this? I don't remember this in the game. Maybe that's action shot from the game. I didn't get very far. Here's the castle. Very cool. This is part of the puzzle piece you can find. This one's kind of slick. This one's got a... What in the world are we looking at here? Oh my. I don't remember this from the game. I definitely didn't get this far. And then another... Was that a witch with a princess? I guess it's the princess, right? What's the main character's name? Let me know. Help me out. This is pack 1. Let's get into pack 2. Got any numbers? Ooh, run through. Something different. The Mudman. The Black Knight. Free at last. Okay. That one seems like that one might be a good closer, so let's check it out. Oh, that's a slick card. It's pretty cool. I like that one. Look at the reflectors, or whatever you want to call it. I think it's the Mudmen, right? Yeah, the Mudmen. Interesting. Okay. Princess overlooking the hero battling it out there. And finally, free at last. The princess is free. Alright. Well, glad these were $20 a box. I guess maybe if I would have known the game more, I would have liked them more. I'd give these a meh. I'm definitely going with that one for my top 3. That was pretty slick too. I mean, that one's got that reflector thing to it, but it's a little weird for my taste. Castle's pretty cool. That's a good close-up of the hero. Looks like he's getting shocked or something. Yeah. I'm gonna go with these 3 for my top 3. I'm gonna go with the castle. Go with this kind of into the forest, or whatever you want to call that. And find a sweet reflector card. Pretty cool. Alright. Well, if you liked any of those cards, let me know what your top 3 were down in the comments below. And again, everybody, Thanks for watching. This has been another episode of Real Rips. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.